Welcome to BreathingWay, a harmonica-based practice for deep states, creativity, and well-being. Here, breath, sound, and attention come together as intuitive play. This is a short guide to the BreathingWay practice, a basic level where the journey begins. It consists of 3 steps: relax, open, create. Relax your body. Release tension from your shoulders, arms, and neck. Let your breath become soft, calm, and free. Bring the harmonica to your lips and begin breathing through 3 or 4 holes at once. Notice how your breath merges with the sound. Thoughts may come and go. That's normal. Gently return your attention to your breath and the sound of the harmonica. This naturally leads you into a state of light meditation, even if meditation never worked for you before. Open yourself to new sound, new breath, new sensations, and new states. Let your inner curiosity gently guide you. At this stage, it's important to stop evaluating yourself and allow yourself to be curious. Aim for a beautiful, soft, clean sound. Play quieter, clearer, calmer. You may begin exploring single notes. This helps you control your breath more precisely and create more expressive phrases. Listen, observe, try. Now allow the practice to unfold your creative potential. There are no rules or limits here, only space for play and discovery. Move along the harmonica. Add pauses. Create simple phrases. Loop them. Change the character of the sound. Over time, you begin to feel the instrument as a whole. The layout of the notes is remembered naturally, and improvisation becomes an intuitive part of the process. We recommend practicing with backing tracks. These are calm tracks that help you maintain attention and deepen your state. You can find them in the YouTube playlist BreathingWay backing tracks. In this state, it's important that nothing distracts you from the process. This is naturally supported by the unusual, more intuitive harmonica tuning used in the BreathingWay practice. It forgives mistakes and helps even complete beginners sound musical. Which harmonicas are suitable for the BreathingWay practice can be found at breathingway.com. Each practice allows you to create your own musical masterpiece, brings new and surprising states, and gently supports your well-being. Take the first step. Start the BreathingWay practice, and let your breath, your sound, and your attention guide you forward. This is BreathingWay.